My good people, we thank Baba God for another day Baba God allows you. Welcome to another episode of PG Vibes Yarnings. Today our yarnings carry us go Santiago Bernabéu. And the yarnings na based on Xabi Alonso. He don't lose the job. But the main yarnings when they hear na say na him choose to resign based on everything wey just dey happen. But so far so good sha. The guy ten not really bad. At least out of the 34 games he win about 24. 34 games when he play, win about 24. He draw 6, he lose 4. But not be bad record. But for a club like Real Madrid, you know now, Real Madrid know they put it for person, Real Madrid know they get time for person, Real Madrid know they get time to babysit you. You got to turn up immediately. But I dey look back at their match yesterday against Barcelona. That match, Vinicius ball. But one thing I don't really like na his substitution. Normally, Xabi Alonso is when he come Real Madrid, he get the way they make his substitution sometimes. It always amuses me. But if you come up for there, if you look in Pape attitude after the medal collection, when your coach tell you say, "Mona come go do guard of honor," instead you tell your teammates, say, "May they come up for there, may they enter dressing room," and all of them follow you. That one a sign of coach when don't lose dressing room. You don't even need anybody to tell you. Say, Alpha, this man no level for that dressing room. Nobody they send that, because if na coach when be say they regard, they send. As Pape talk that matter, nobody go reason Pape. Everybody go with the coach. But from the look of things, I'm not sure say anybody they reason that man. No. Everybody just they go away. And that one and one of the major reasons when they say the guy they resign for the job. Say like it be like they get the respect of these players. And another woman may see they gonna say ideology. Most of the players no buy into her. You don't see that dressing room ego many now, ego many. So you know go easy as a young coach for you to handle that kind of ego. And people are on a reason now. But anyway, they don't put whether an interim coach. I don't know. Maybe that the Man United model they won't emulate. Nobody know. Don't put Abeloa as coach for the now, but nobody know where Madrid go say employ. My people, how na reason this update? Na good move for Real Madrid or na bad move? More comment below. Make we yarn, make we know wetin really una think about this whole separation of Xabi Alonso and Real Madrid. My people, make una not forget to like, not forget to subscribe, make una not forget to share this video. My people, una do.